put this inside.
Morning po.
Mommy, do you want to play in the hot? Hot. I really like to fly.
Ooh. Ooh. Good job, ate. Oh my gosh.
Spider-Girl.
Nasaan na yung pool? Ano ba ngayon? Today is Tuesday. Hindi ko alam kung nakapag-maintenance sila kahapon ng pool. Because I wanted to go swimming sana. Kaya parang hindi. O baka dahil umulan, kaya malabo yung water.
Up, down, up, down, up.
Wow!
Down, up,
Yeah!
down.
Oh, you're stuck!
Stop.
Oh no! What should we do? What should we do? You're stuck! Huh? Go on.
Wow. We are so greedy.
Is it wet? It's wet up there, no?
It's wet. That's why I don't go all the way up.
Ah, okay.
This one is a wet. Really? This one too dry.
We don't have tissue.
Dry.
It's okay, just use the green one. Your auntie voted yesterday and then did not come back yet. Bumoto siya kahapon and she's not back. I was hoping she'll come back so I can go to the gym. Oh my, his pants are gonna be so wet. A doesn't care, no? Good job, ate.
Water, get off.
The green one is dry.
Ah, it's a windy.
This too. How I wish that this playground is sobrang lapit lang sa bahay. Yung katapat lang ng bahay talaga namin. That way, the whole day talaga. Labas kayo, doon lang kayo sa labas. Kaya lang hindi. So, kailangan pag gusto nila pumunta dito, kasama ako. So, may mga gawain sa bahay. Iwanan mo talaga just to accompany them. I actually think yung ano dito, yung playground, hindi siya open until 9. Same with the pool. Pero nakita kami ng guard kanina at wala namang sinabi. Maganda kasi ganitong oras para makapagpapawis sila bago uminit ang araw. Tsaka I love how there's so many trees. So hindi ka babad na babad sa init. And even that, yan pala yung ano natin, basketball court. And napapaligiran siya ng puno. So presko. I love that. Come on. Mommy's here. Climb. 1. Good job.
Hold your hands. Push.
Yes. 2. 1 more. Oh, over here.
Put your leg there.
Not your head.
Your head
Climb
should
up.
Be back. Oh, I'm scared.
Don't be scared. Mommy hold you. Over here.
Put your leg here. Hold.
Mommy hold you. Good boy. Yes. Climb your feet. Okay, there you go. Then your head goes back. No, this one first. Well done. Oh, climb up. Pull. Pull yourself up. Very good. One more. There's one more. Climb up again. Wow, good job. Climb up, 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 up. Stand up first.
Look up, look up.
Okay, now you can move. Watch your head. Okay. You did it! Whoa, you did it!
Ouch, ouch,
Ouch, ouch, it's hot. Good job, ate.
Let's see what more is it.
Do it again. No, 3. Good boy. Climb up.
Hold yourself up. Up you go.
Okay, one more. 4. It's okay. Okay, your foot. With your foot. What you doing? With your foot. Ayaw niya kasi sumampa dito sa pang-apat. You did it! Yay!
Do it. Aiden.
Alam mo guys, ano, ng mga una, ng mga nakaraan, nag-worry ako palagi na kapag tahimik yung anak ko, ganyan. Kasi diba sanay tayo, well, I'm sure, sa pagkakakilala nyo kay Input, ano siya, alam niya na super, ano siya, jolly, sobrang masayahin, ganyan. Diba? Lagi nakangiti. And then nag-start na parang may mga times na hindi siya ganun ka-happy pa at nababother ako. And then pag tinatanong mo siya, sabi niya, I don't know, ganun. Tapos nalala ko na baka dahil sa school. Although ano rin naman yun, parang feeling ko malaking factor din yun sa school. But I realized, may napanood akong vlog kasi, a daily vlog lang yun, and then nabanggit ng mommy na parang wala sa, ano yan, bugnutin or that's not the term eh, parang wala sa mood madalas sa umaga yun. Ito, sige dito, yung anak niya na panganay. Although yung anak niya naman panganay is parang ano na ata, pa high school na ata, I'm not sure, or pa junior high, I'm not sure. So medyo padalaga na. But then, na-realize ko na yung aking baby is hindi na baby. Ano na siya, guys? Mag-nanay na siya this year. So, pa-pre-teens na siya. Although, alam mo yun, may hint pa rin ng pagkabagets. Meron na yung mga mood na magbabago. So, nawala, ayun, na-less yung worry ko na, you know what? Kahit di naman ako, hindi naman laging happy yung mood ko. May mga mood din ako na hindi mo ako makausap. So, bakit pag sa kanya, hindi ba pa pwede na gano'n? So, pag ganyan na yan, ako na lang siya. Although, kinakausap ko pa rin, ay okay, ganyan, anong problema. Pag sinabi niya na hindi niya alam or ano, hindi na sumasagot na yan, ako na lang muna. Until, pag okay na siya, kausapin ko na lang. Pero mga nauna, talagang nag-worry talaga ako. Lahat halos i-offer ko. Gusto mo ba ng ganito? Gusto mo ba ng ganitong pagkain? Gusto mo ba lumabas tayo? Talagang laging hinahabol ko. Tapos, kahit na nagawa namin yun, parang hindi pa rin ganun yung mood or jolliness or happiness na nakikita ko sa kanya before. And I realized, you know what? Let's see. Tingnan natin. Kapag hinayaan ko siya na ganito, tingnan natin kung mag-open up ba siya or but ngayon, parang nare-realize ko na hindi ko hawak yung mood niya at happiness niya. Hindi ko siya pwedeng kontrolin. Dapat lagi ka lang masaya kasi hindi ka naman ganito dati. You know, just let her be. You know, always yung mga bagets ko. Ano lang ako guys, saglit lang ako ng coffee and then uwi na din tayo. Actually, kailangan ko palang magpahangin. I need some air on my tire but we have no cash. Kaya kasi ako na magpapahangin tapos wala akong pangabot sa nagahangin kasi mainit yung panahon. Tapos, di ba, nasa labas sila. Arawan sila ganyan. Hindi natin naabutan. Meron naman ako dito guys. Malaking ano to. Malaking tulong. I got this sa Landers to. Pero matagal ko na itong I've got this since Explorer pa yung sasakyan natin. So that was 2019 ba? 2019. Hello, classmates. Bakit may class? Ay, may ano pala si Aiden ngayon. Ipasok siya mamaya. Summer camp. Kinakanta nila sa school. Fairness, talagang na-enjoy niya na yung school.
I did not know that they play even though it's super hot in here.
Oh, they do. Would that be fine with you?
Only when I'm like super cold and I really need to go outside because it's hot.
There's sunscreen and then there'll be water. I'll bring lots of water.
Okay.
Then you can also do swimming class in school. But did you know that at grade 3 you will do, I don't know, you will do
coding?
Yeah, no. What do we do in church?
Like
communion.
Yeah. You do it?
Yeah, you'll do it this year at school. I mean, you'll go to church, I think. And then there's gonna be a mass. And then each and one of you will go to this small thingy. It's not a room, but it's like a wooden thingy. Remember in Crisostomo Ibarra?
Yeah.
When Maria talked to the priest and she confessed her sin.
Like
In that little room.
so
It's like a little box.
Like when that guy got inside and he was like praying.
Yeah. Each student will go inside and then the priest will not know who are you because he won't see your face. He will tell the priest the things that you've done, your sins, and then the priest will like, please pray 3 Our Fathers, or pray this, or pray that, like that. Before you can do the before you can do the communion.
What do we wear at that?
I think
Just
a white dress.
Just a uniform?
I think a white dress, because I did wear a white dress. And then there's like a little bit over here. It's like a circle thingy. And there, here. We're home!
So it's like this, and then there's the wall.
There's a wall between you and the priest.
Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to you.
Thank you. We're waiting for you guys. Dito kami guys sa Alpha Mart. Bili lang si Tita Sassy.
No!
Tsaka si Ate Lily ng pasta.
My mommy's phone!
And gatas.
My mommy's
Kasi wala
phone.
nang gatas ang babies ko. Meron sila yung nasa box. na pang cereal. Pero gusto ko kasi merong sumisip-sip pa rin sila during the day ng gatas. So, yung mga maliliit na box na may straw, milk boxes, yun yung napamili ko kay Sas. That way, ang baby ko hindi magsisilip-sip ng juice. Gatas! Para healthy. Si Ate Lina, paborito niya na iniinom, sterilized. So, bare buns sterilized. Hello guys! Ayan, so, hindi ko alam kung kahapon ko ba na-upload yung vlog na gusto ni Aiden na sa school din siya ni Lily. Do you wanna go to school? Which school? Do you wanna go to school in Kids Club? You wanna go there too? Do you want the school where Teacher Feliz is?
Good school.
How about Teacher Feliz? You like Teacher Feliz?
Aww. Wow.
You wanna go to Lily's school too?
Yeah.
Papasok. Unfortunately, ayun, hindi kami umabot sa application nila. But sabi nila, on May 12 daw mag-a-announce sila kapag mag-open pa yung application. Eh kaya lang kahapon yung May 12. Walang announcement. So medyo kinakabahan ako. Inisip ko na lang baka kasi election. Today, nag-email ako sa kanila, sa admission board, hoping that they would open the application for pre-K for Aiden. And wala pang reply kasi parang mga 2-3 hours ago ko pa lang sinend yung email. And then tanong si Aiden kanina kung where's my uniform, Pinasuot ko sa kanya yung isang shirt ni Lily sa school pa niya. Aiden, stand up! Wow! Is that your uniform? Show me your uniform. Show mommy your uniform.
Yeah.
Where is it? There, you like it? Wow! Wow! You like it?
Yeah.
Yes. You're welcome.
The last time I checked, it was like, I didn't know it's like this.
Yeah.
But now,
So, naka-uniform. We're still hoping that they might consider opening even just for a day para makapag-apply kami for school for Aiden. That way, isang school na lang sila. Mas madaling makakapag-adjust si Aiden kasi alam niya, andun yung sister niya. Yung pag-drop off ko sa kanila, kahit na medyo magkaiba, pag alam niya nandun din si Lily, or pagsabayin ko sila ng drop-off, tapos magpa-park lang kami dun, baka mas makampante si Aiden at malis yung adjustment period niya, kumbaga. So, I'm hoping, Lily, put your shoes on. Anyway, paalis na kami. Ay, pakita natin yung reaction, tingnan natin yung reaction ni Auntie sa t-shirt.
no. We have that one. These two.
Surprise! Surprise!
We have these two.
Why are you wearing a Saudian shirt?
Feeling lang niya, wala pa. Wala pang reply.
Huh?
Nagtatanong lang siya.
Let's do the flip by road.
Yeah.
Feeling niya lang. Come on na, dali, maliliit ka na. Atid ko muna to, be. Aiden, let's go. Lily, come on. Nakaganon si AA to. Bye! Eh, bye-bye to Dongdong. Sabi ni Dongdong sa kanya, ganon. Sabi ni AA. Sabi ni Dongdong, be. AA. Sabi ni AA. Mas madali ako na yun. Ang pogi naman yan. Sana naman matanggap. Sana matanggap. Sana naman. Bigyan na si AA, please. Kapag hindi, it's not meant to be. We have to find a school muna for this year. Tapos next year, or I mean this year. Kasi nag-open sila ng application. December pa lang. So December pa lang, mag-a-apply na tayo. Para sa kinder na. Kaya kasi inahabol ko, gusto ko sana pre-K pa lang. Para hindi siya pag may entrance exam kasi sila, di ba? Para hindi siya mahirapan sa entrance exam. Kasi pre-K, ano may entrance exam na sa pre-K, di ba? Colors, letters, mga ganun lang yun. Di ba? So, feeling ko, mas hindi mahihirapan sa Aiden makapasok.
Entrance exam pala siya, hindi ko alam.
May entrance exam sila. Kasi Lily, grade 1, nag-entrance exam. Parang tinanong kasi sa akin doon nung tinanong sa akin doon nung nasa admission kami before, tinanong ko si Lily. Tinanong sa akin, pero alam na po naman niya yung mga basic, yung colors, letters, ko, ay naku, kahit dinosaur pa yan, kahit planets pa yan, kung ano yung characteristic ng planets, alam niya. Diba? Marami naman siya na, marunong na magbasa. So, feeling ko naman, parang feeling ko kaya niya. Yun lang.
Tala ko picture mo.
So cute! Cute naman.
Please.
Please open your application, please. Which one do you want? That one?
It's a magic.
Stop! Is that your train? Hey, Dad, you have to show this to Auntie, okay? Did you do it? Good boy. Did you have fun? Come on, let's go. Come back tomorrow? Yeah. Come on, let's go. Nag-picture kami ng kids kanina. Oh my God! Ang init! Tayo lang natin pagkaroon si ate. We're gonna go back. Grabe talaga nakasulat. Ito ka ng patak. Walang makita. Bukas ng ulan. Bukas, oh, walang makita. Oh. Diba? pa lang? Hindi pa. Patapos mo. Ay! No! Itsy bitsy spider! Aiden! Drive up the water drop! Aiden, look at the bridge! It's so cool! Aiden, do you want to sit with Auntie? Yeah. Yeah. Ay, lakas na. Biglang. Biglang na na mo. Today? Tanggalin mo. Natanggalin. Malapit na tayo. No. Lili. Malapit na tayo. No.
What? You said that. Can I let you?
Sige, go. Dito na tayo. Mahal ka talaga niya, no? Yeah. Ayun, sige natin. Yeah. Na para sa akin. Hi guys, we are home. The kids are gonna be making.
What did you do?
I'm sorry, babe. Babe, I'm sorry I kicked it accidentally. I didn't mean it.
Mommy, look.
I'm sorry.
Wait to find them. Oh no, wait. Look, the elephant.
Ayan, for dinner, yung kids na muna gagawa ng sarili nilang dinner. Meron kaming pizza crust. Ayan, they can make their own pizzas. May bacon ako dyan. They can share in one slice. Cut na lang nila ngayon as toppings. We have pizza sauce and cheese. So, pwede sila sa oven, pwede lang sa air fryer. So, make your own dinner kami tonight. Nasikaso ko lang itong aking claim sa policy. Meron kasi akong parang ano siya, insurance doon sa DJI. Ito guys, ano siya, super sensitive siya kapag mabagsak or ganyan. E nabagsak to once nung nasa, matatandaan nyo, nung nag-ano si Aiden. Na-assess siya, parang October ata yun, I think. Yeah, October last year. And then, nung naayos na nila siya, pagbalik, hindi ganun kapantay yung leg. So, but nagagamit ko naman siya, so okay lang. At saka medyo na-adjust naman siya. So, nung Monday, nag-vlog pa ako gamit tong camera na to. Ilagay ko siya dun sa parang monopod. Ay, hindi siya monopod. Suction cup sa sasakyan. And then, dahil siguro sa init, yung pagkakastick nung suction cup, nag-loosen. Tapos nahulog siya. Pero hindi siya bumagsak. Kasi ang tanong sa akin kung bumagsak daw ba, hindi siya bumagsak. Nahulog siya. Parang dumula siyang gano'n. Tapos gumanyan sa upuan, sa passenger seat. Tapos nahulog sa sahig. Pero hindi siya lagabog na gano'n. Tapos nakaano na siya, nakaganito na. Nakalagay na tong protector na. So, sabi ko, okay naman siguro. Hindi ko siya na-check talaga totally until nung morning. Nung morning na, inan ko siya, ganyan na siya. Ayan, doon na siya sa kaliwaan nakatingin. Tapos, gimbal protection na siya. Tapos, ayaw na niya ma-recenter. Ayan. So, yan yung problem natin. So, ngayon, yung sa policy nila, parang, ano daw, kung hindi daw accidental na bumagsak or something, parang ako pa direct mismo kay DJI para ipaayos. Kasi parang hindi ata cover nung kanilang incident I don't know. Hindi ko na alam. But anyway, naalala ko lang kasi hanggang July na lang yung policy nito. So, sana maayos nila, masikaso nila before pa mag-July. Kasi sayang din eh. Mahal din kasi siya, diba? Pag bumili ka. Plus ngayon gusto ko na talagang mag-focus din na kahit paano sa pag-vlog. So, sana magawa ng paraan. Please, ate. But yung first incident, talagang okay naman din talaga sila. Uy! B, may order ako kanina. By the way, guys, ano na ulit ha? Available na ulit yung tinted sunscreen natin. And yung glowing queen soap natin. At saka yung facial, exfoliating scrub. Ayan. So, order kayo para dun sa facial na Pag wala siya guys sa Shopee, go ahead sa TikTok. Ando doon yun. So, I'll link it down below.
You're my better half, a part of me through and through, and I only with you.